Discover 15 clever woodworking tools that every DIY woodworker will absolutely love. These innovative gadgets are designed to make your projects faster, easier, and more precise. Whether you're crafting furniture, building decor, or tackling your next creative idea, these tools combine smart design with practical function to help you work like a pro. Get inspired and upgrade your woodworking experience today. Microjig, GRR-RIP. The Microjig GRR-RIP block gives you unmatched grip, control, and safety for all your woodworking projects. Its high traction surface ensures a solid hold on your workpiece across table saws, router tables, jointers, and bandsaws. Built-in smart hooks automatically engage the back edge for added leverage, then retract mid-board for continuous pressure and smoother cuts. Engineered for precision and protection, the GRR-RIP helps you maintain total command while minimizing kickback risks. Work safer, work smarter, and achieve cleaner results with this must-have woodworking accessory. Kreg Cabinet Face Frame Clamp. The Kreg Cabinet Face Frame Clamp is a must-have tool for precise cabinet assembly. It ensures perfect alignment and secure connections between cabinet face frames. With thick non-marring pads to protect surfaces and an integrated pilot hole drill guide, it streamlines the installation process. Built with durable all-metal construction, this clamp is engineered for years of reliable performance. The set includes 2 clamps, allowing you to align frames both vertically and horizontally with professional accuracy and ease, making cabinet building faster, cleaner, and more efficient for any woodworker or DIY enthusiast. Garosa Door Hinge Jig Kit. The Garosa Door Hinge Jig Kit offers precise, professional hinge installation with minimal effort. Simply align the template, adjust the router bit depth to your hinge thickness, and cut clean mortises with accuracy. Suitable for 8 hinge sizes, 2.5 inches to 6 inches, and 5 door thicknesses, 1 3/8 inch to 2.5 inches. Includes 2 detachable sliding mechanisms and hinge shape rails. Built from durable ABS material, it resists wear and damage, ensuring long-lasting performance. With adjustable length, thickness, and corner options, this jig kit enhances precision, efficiency, and convenience for both professionals and DIY woodworkers. Triton TPL 1801500 Watts Triple Blade Planer. The Triton TPL 1801500 0 watt Triple Blade Planer delivers professional grade performance with a 1500 watt motor and an impressive 180mm 7-inch cutting width for fast, efficient material removal. Its unique 3-blade drum ensures a smooth, clean finish, while the 10-position depth control dial allows precision planing from 0 to 2mm. Built with a fully cast base for stability, reversible HSS blades for longevity, and a non-slip rubber grip for comfort, it offers superior accuracy and control. Additional features include a power-on neon indicator, dust port for cleaner operation, adjustable front handle, and included guide fence for perfect alignment. Wolfcraft 3634000 pointed. The Wolfcraft 3634000 pointed ratchet lever clamp is designed for precision, strength, and convenience in tight or distant clamping areas. Its long, tapered clamp arms provide exceptional depth, allowing secure fixing far from the workpiece edge or in confined spaces. Built from fiberglass reinforced high-performance plastic, this clamp delivers durability without unnecessary weight. The ergonomic, non-slip handle inserts ensure a comfortable and secure grip even during prolonged use. Whether for woodworking, assembly, or DIY projects, the Wolfcraft pointed ratchet lever offers reliable clamping power and easy one-handed operation, making it an essential addition to any workshop. Tritontools TWX 7 CS 001 Contractor Saw Module. The Tritontools TWX 7 CS 001 Contractor Saw Module is a compact yet powerful circular saw designed for versatility and precision. Mounted on 2 bars, it operates in 2 modes, fixed head or movable, for greater control and flexibility. This module functions as part of the TWX 7 Work Center system or as a standalone power tool on a bench or floor. Ideal for professional and DIY woodworking, it delivers accurate crosscut, rip, and miter cuts on natural wood, engineered wood, laminates, and flooring boards, making it a reliable choice for any cutting application. Wolfcraft one-hand clamps. The Wolfcraft one-hand clamps offer quick, safe, and convenient clamping with single-hand operation. Built for strength and reliability, they deliver up to 120 kilograms of clamping pressure. The ergonomic grip with a skid-resistant zone ensures comfort and control, while a simple button press converts it to a spreading function. Large clamping areas evenly distribute pressure, protecting your workpiece. The durable rail maintains lasting force, and the optimized lever allows easy pressure release. Adjustable spacers serve as supports, and the cross groove securely clamps round objects, making it a perfect tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Bosch GNH 18V-64. Bosch GNH 18V-64 MD. Check out the new Bosch GNH 18V-64 MD 18V cordless wood nailer, built for precision, power, and total cordless freedom. Say goodbye to compressors, gas cartridges, and tangled cords. This high-performance nailer delivers consistent driving power for smooth, clean results in every shot. Designed with convenience in mind, it features a thumb-activated power switch for effortless one-hand operation. Perfect for trim work, cabinetry, and interior finishing, the GNH 18V-64 MD provides the efficiency professionals demand with the mobility of Bosch's powerful 18V platform. Work faster, cleaner, and smarter. Anywhere your job takes you. STIHL Wood Moisture Meter. The STIHL Wood Moisture Meter is a compact, easy-to-use tool designed to ensure your firewood is perfectly seasoned. Properly dried wood should have a moisture content below 20% to achieve efficient burning, minimize smoke, and prevent creosote buildup in your chimney. With its clear digital display and simple controls, this meter provides accurate readings in seconds. Just insert the metal probes into the wood and the moisture level appears instantly. Versatile and reliable, the STIHL moisture meter can also measure moisture in mortar, plaster, and even check temperature, making it an essential tool for both homeowners and professionals. IQ Drill Jig. The IQ Drill Jig S-Bohrlehrer is designed for precise and efficient drilling in furniture, doors, and cabinets. It allows accurate placement of holes for handles, knobs, and fittings, ensuring professional results every time. Crafted for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, this tool eliminates measuring errors and speeds up installation. Its durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance and reliability. Available now in specialized trade. Contact us today to learn more or place your order for the IQ Drill Jig and experience perfect drilling precision with ease. Woodpeckers Auxiliary RIP Fence. Woodpeckers introduces the Compact Auxiliary RIP Fence, designed in response to customer demand for a smaller version of their popular 2024 model. Measuring 36 inches, it includes two 7-inch material supports and a pair of clamping blocks for a secure setup. Ideal for compact table saws, bandsaws, and other small machines, it fits fences under 3 1/4 inches tall. Whether you're using a job site saw, vintage contractor's saw, or router table, this compact fence offers the same precision, stability, and versatility that made the original Woodpeckers fence a favourite among woodworkers everywhere. BOW GuidePRO Bandsaw. Your bandsaw can do better. The BOW GuidePRO, from the makers of the Featherboard, is a game-changing guide designed to maximise your bandsaw's performance. This easy-to-install, hands-free solution gives you smoother infeed, consistent pressure, and reduced vibration, resulting in perfect cuts every time. With just 3 simple setup steps, you'll achieve professional results with less effort. Durable, precise, and trusted by pros, the GuidePRO is the essential upgrade for any serious woodworker looking to elevate accuracy, control, and efficiency on every project. BOW FB5 Featherboard Portable Saw. The BOW FP5 Portable Saw Featherboard delivers the proven safety and performance of the original Feather PRO to smaller DIY and contractor saws. Designed with revolutionary EVA feathers, it provides superior feed control, vibration dampening, and kickback protection. Lightweight yet durable, the FP5 ensures smooth, consistent cuts while keeping your hands safely away from the blade. Perfect for compact table saws, it enhances both accuracy and safety, making it an essential tool for any woodworker or contractor seeking professional grade results in a portable, easy-to-use design. Rockler All-Terrain Mobile Base. Make your workshop more versatile with the Rockler All-Terrain Mobile Base, the ultimate solution for moving heavy tools with ease. Designed to handle rough terrain, it lets you roll table saws, planers, and jointers smoothly across gravel, cracked concrete, and uneven floors. Its heavy-duty wheels, adjustable frame, and 1,000-pound load capacity ensure strength and stability. Lock it securely in place when in use and unlock to move anytime. Ideal for garages, outdoor setups, and busy shops, this base delivers flexibility, safety, and Rockler's trusted durability, so your tools are always right where you need them. Grizzly G 0969 21-inch Scroll Saw. The Grizzly G 0969 21-inch. Scroll Saw offers a unique user-friendly design that enhances precision and comfort. Unlike traditional saws, the saw arm tilts while the table stays stationary, allowing for smoother control and more accurate cuts on complex designs. Ideal for scroll work, inlays, fretwork, and other intricate projects, this innovative feature helps maintain balance and visibility. With its powerful motor, spacious 21-inch throat, and solid construction, the G0969 delivers both reliability and flexibility for woodworkers seeking professional quality results on detailed cutting tasks.